Oh, wait. Hold on. Freeze.
What?
Wait, what did we say about the blue line?
I don't know.
Wasn't this above it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we have to do?
It was not.
It was up here.
Oh, yeah.
So what do we have to do? If we want to touch it, what do we have to do? Yeah.
I'll rewind your YouTube video now.
Okay. But what happened here? Love, look at the, what happened there? Was that above the blue line?
No.
It wasn't?
No. It wasn't.
It was right here, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. It was right here. What's the rule about it being above the blue line? Do you want to practice?
Yeah.
You be Vi and I'll be Leona?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to put it back because it belongs up here.
I'm gonna be here.
Okay.
I'll be here.
Okay, so here I am, and I said, oh my gosh, look at that yarn. That looks so fun to play with. Oh, but wait, it's above the blue line. So I need to go ask Vi. Hey, Vi.
What?
Hey, Vi.
What?
This yarn looks so fun to play with. Can I touch it?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Maybe another time.
Yeah. No, you're fine, not Leona.
Okay.
You're just in there, and I'm out of the room.
Okay.
Hey, Vi.
Hey, yeah.
Can I please touch this?
Yes, because that's yours. It's under the blue line, so you can touch that. You can have it. You can play with it.
Mom, I'm changed.
You want to change into that? Okay, well, that's not what we're doing right now.
Do you want to finish the practice? Finish the practice with this part. What if you
Yeah.
really wanted to touch that one?
Yeah, what if you really wanted to touch the yarn?
What would you do? Because remember, you're Leona and Papa is Vi.
Hey, Vi.
Hey, what?
Can I please touch that yarn up there?
You know what? Actually, that yarn is really special to me, so I don't want anybody to touch it.
Okay. Maybe another time.
Maybe another time. Yep.
Real moments are learning moments.